What's poppin'? It's your girl Maya Angel. You already know how it go. Back again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload channel art or like a YouTube banner and how to upload that from your phones. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn those post notifications on. Okay, so we're going to start by using the Phonto app. And you're just going to click on the app and then hit the camera emoji at the bottom and then go to plain image. And once you do that, you can pick any image and you're just going to customize the size to the YouTube maximum size, and that is 2560 by 1440. Sorry. Okay, once you do that, you're going to hit save and use. And then you're just going to save your project. And that's all for the first step. So now we're going to get out of the Phonto app. And we're going to go to Google. And you're just going to be looking for whatever background that you want for your channel art / banner. So for mine, I want like a sunflower aesthetic. So I'm just going to be typing in sunflower background. Usually if you type in sunflower, like any background, like and put Tumblr, you can find something cute. But this is what I'm going with because it's super cute, and I don't know, I just like the lights and the flowers. So you're gonna save that to your phone. So now I'm gonna be going back into the Phonto app, and I'm just gonna be going to my photo albums to look for my template. And on the template, it's going to show the desktop and mobile maximum size for your banner. And this template helps you, so I'm zooming in so you can see the sizes. So now that we're back in the Phonto app, you're going to go to plain images once again and choose whatever image. Then you're going to customize the size, and this time the size is 2560 by 423. And you're just gonna hit use and save with the little squared arrow in the corner. And now that you've done that, there's gonna be 3 lines in the left corner, and you're gonna click add image, go to your photos, and add the background of your choice. And you're just going to adjust the size so that it covers up the entire white banner. And there's a little setting that you can go to, and it's called alpha, just so you can see how it's going to look. It will shade down the tone of the picture, I guess, and you can see how it's going to look in the box. And then once you finish that, you're going to want to recover it back up by like resetting your alpha setting. And then once you do that, hitting the camera emoji at the bottom, and you're going to go to save project, and then you're also going to go to save image. So that's for that step. So now we are going to be using the PicsArt app, and this is just to like cut out pictures, to Photoshop pictures, I guess. And we're going to be going on to this, and you're going to go to all your photos, and you're just going to pick out whatever picture you want of yourself or whatever on your banner. And I chose this selfie. I'm going to crop it because I screenshot it off my Instagram real quick. And then you're just gonna go to cut out, the option at the bottom. Then you're gonna hit like the little person, and it's just gonna do it for you. And you're gonna save that, and you're going to save that and then download the photo and then hit done. And now you'll be going back into the Phonto app, and it's just going to ask you photo albums. When you hit the camera at the bottom, then I picked that picture. Sorry, it went so fast. So I picked the picture that I just saved, the little banner. And now I'm going to hit the 3 horizontal lines in the left corner and hit add image, and going to the image I just saved off of PicsArt. And I'm just going to adjust the size however you want. You can adjust the width, the height of the picture, and you can just move it to where you'd like. There's a lot of settings on Phonto that you can play around with. Also, you can tilt it and different types of things. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to be adding another picture that I cut out with the Fonto app to my banner by hitting add image once again and adding the image that I cut out. And I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with the first one, just adjusting the image where I would like it to be at. And now for the text, you're just going to click on the screen anywhere and hit add text and type in what you want your banner to say. And then you're going to hit font, which is also in the box, and you can pick whatever font you like. And this is the font that I chose. Once you hit done, you can click on it, adjust it, and you hit style. And style is where you will be picking the color of the text of your choice. And with this, you can pick out the border of the text if you want it. Using stroke, you can adjust that and pick the width and any color of your choosing with this also. So that's just what I chose for that. And I'm going to be repeating this step for the other things that I put on my banner, because I'm also going to be putting what my channel is about. So that's vlogs, fashion, makeup, and girl talks. So that's also what I will be doing. Okay, so now that I've adjusted this how I want it to be, I'm going to be leaving the Fonto app and going back to Google. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you get the template. So you're just going to type in YouTube banner template, and you're going to want to save whatever banner template you'd like. And you're just going to save that to your phone. And next I'm going to be looking up logos. So you're going to do a transparent logo. I'm just going to be putting my Instagram one on there. So you're not going to have to erase it or Photoshop it if you just hit transparent logo. So I'm going to be typing in transparent logo Instagram. And once I've done that, I'm going to click on the one that I want. And I'm going to be saving that to my phone. We'll be going back into the Fonto app, and then we're going to add another image, and I'm going to be adding the logo, and I'm going to be putting that where I'd like it to be. And as you can see, it is transparent. I didn't do anything extra to the logo. Now I'm just going to be adding my Instagram ad name to the banner, and I'm just going to be doing it the same way as I did the other text, in the same style, font, and colors. Once I've done that, I'm going to be adding another image to the photo. And the image that I'm going to be adding is the YouTube template. And I'm just going to make sure that it covers the whole thing and it fits like it would, like so. And now I'm going to use the transparency of the picture by using the alpha button. And I'm just going to make sure that everything fits within the desktop, minimum, and mobile. And as you can see on there, it says like logo safe area for it. So that's how you make sure that everything will fit on your mobile device. Now I'm just going to click on that template, and I'm going to be hitting remove from the picture. And I'll just be making sure that everything is how I want it, and then I'm going to be hitting save project, and then I'm going to be hitting save image also. And once you've done that, you're going to hit photo albums again, and you're going to go to that first white project that we made, and that's the maximum size of the YouTube banner. And once you've done that, you're going to click add image once again, and you're going to add in the banner that we just saved. So you're going to adjust the size so that it fits right in the middle as the template showed. And for this, it can hang off the ends because it's going to adjust, so just make sure that it's like how you want it. Now I'm going to be adding the template once again, moving the size so that it fits the project, adjusting the transparency of the template, and making sure that everything fits how it's supposed to for my banner. Once you've done that, you'll just be removing the template from the picture, and then you're going to save the project and you're going to save the image. So that's all for the banner. Now to upload it from your mobile device, you will have to use the Google Chrome app. Specifically, I don't know if there's any other ones, but I know Safari does not work for this step. So once you click on that app or download it, then you're going to go to the bottom and hit the settings of the app and make sure that it is in desktop mode. So that's how you have to upload it from desktop mode. Once you've done that, you're going to click on your channel, customize channel, and in the right corner there's going to be a little pencil over your banner. Once you click on that, you hit edit channel art, and it's going to prompt you to upload a picture, and you'll be uploading the one that you just saved to the device. Once you've done that, you can adjust the crop if you need to, but everything looks like it fits pretty fine to me, so I'm just going to hit select, and now it saves right away, and that's all for it. So thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you give me a like and a comment, and bye, angels.